Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Excel and signing into your Microsoft account so files sync automatically. Once done, grant storage permissions to read and save spreadsheets. Open a blank workbook or an existing file from OneDrive. Tap any cell to bring up the keyboard and formula bar. Use the bottom tabs to switch sheets and pinch to zoom for precise selection. Make sure to set autosave to OneDrive if you want continuous backups while you work on mobile. Now focus on entering and transforming data. Tap a cell and type or use the formula bar for long text. To build calculations, type equals followed by the function, for example equals sum a1 a10. Once you have data, insert rows or columns from the Home or Edit menu. Drag fill handles to copy patterns. Use the Format menu to set number types like currency, percent, or date, and adjust decimal places so your numbers display correctly and readably. Finish by saving and sharing. Tap File to save to OneDrive or device and export as XLSX or PDF for sharing. Protect sheets if needed and add comments for collaborators. Once ready, use Share to send a link or attach a copy by email. If something goes wrong, sync errors, missing edits, or crashes, first check your internet and account sign-in, then update the app, clear cache, or reopen the workbook. If issues persist, try exporting and reopening a copy to preserve work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.